What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Want to tell you about this shirt. All right, guys, so I was watching the Hank Strange channel, big fan of his, and he was actually interviewing a really awesome young lady, 16-year-old Megan O'Grady, who has been running a charity for a while called Blue Line Bears. You can check out their website at bluelinebears.org, and she is quite the little seamstress, and in fact, she's doing something that's really quite amazing. And so you can see here, Honor the Fall, and this t-shirt, I picked this shirt up at their website because what she does is for children of fallen policemen, she will take one of their uniform shirts and turn it into a teddy bear. So it's something that the kids of police officer who's fallen in the line of duty can have, that is part of what their parent was, their mother or father. And she's just an amazing creative artist who makes really beautiful teddy bears. But the fact that they are built out of the shirt that they can hold and touch and remember of a fallen or past parent is really quite amazing. This shirt is actually quite amazing in and of itself. It's all silk screened with lots of information here, the U.S. flag up here, and this is really great and comfortable. I would say order maybe a little size large. They tend to run a little small, but I just think it's really, really cool. So I want to actually just splice in a clip from the Today Show here that they profiled Megan, and I think it's just really amazing when you see kind of what the teddy bears that she creates do for the families.
And Sergeant Paul Tizzolo hailed for warning and saving his fellow officers before being fatally shot. He left behind 2 young children. Megan flew all the way to New York to make this special delivery.
Oh, Megan, thank you. These are beautiful.
Give me a hug.
Yeah.
This is one of Daddy's shirts.
Really?
Yes.
A father's colors proudly back on display.
870. Daddy's badge number?
Yeah.
Complete with a handwritten letter from Megan.
I don't want you to ever forget how much he loved you and how amazing he was. With love, Megan.
Heartbreaking, but heartwarming at the same time. I know that this is something the boys will cherish forever.
Thank you.
A bear hug that feels familiar. For Sunday Today, Steve Patterson, New York.
So there you have it, guys. Listen, it absolutely stinks that Megan has had to make almost 500 of these teddy bears. But if you want to help support what she's doing and order some of her merch to continue to support that activity, I would definitely encourage you to do it at bluelinebears.org. Go there and order something and support the cause. Peter Von Panda, out.